Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather discussion on 2nd March 2023 from India Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Ananda Kumar Das, a senior scientist in National Weather Forecasting Center. Today I will be discussing about the weather, what happened during last week, and as well as I will be giving the information about the probable weather during next week. So now I will be talking about the weather systems during last week. So two consecutive western disturbance, that is WD, impacted the northern part of the country, that is mostly the western Himalayan region and adjoining states, and at the same time there also the influence over northeastern state and Sikkim, Southern West Bengal. So there we can see first western disturbance WD actually from started 25th February. Here it was along 60° and then it is gradually moved eastward and started impact during 27th February, and gradually it impacted our western northwest India. And next western disturbance actually which on 28th February, which is around 65°, it now lies over this region along the longitude actually 68° and north of latitude 32° north. So these are the two main weather system, and associated cyclonic circulation for there was from 28th February to 1st March over Rajasthan, and cyclonic circulation also we have seen over northeastern state during and eastern India also, eastern that over Bihar region on 27th February, over northeastern state on 1st March, and over Bangladesh region 25th and 26th February. And due to that, what was the rainfall situation? We can see here that western Himalayan region, that means Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Punjab, and adjoining Haryana region and Rajasthan, some parts we can see that some rainfall activity, but they are not heavy rainfall. And also we can see that Sikkim and Saviwana West Bengal and northeastern state, that is very northern part of northeastern state, we can see that rainfall activity. And due to easterly there trough in easterlies, we can see some of the rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu region. So this is the situation during that week, and due to this rainfall activity, actually temperature what was maximum temperature which was appreciably above normal, that actually improved, and now it is 3 to 5° above normal. Now if we see the week-wise situation with respect to climatology, here we can see most part of the country actually have no rain or large deficient, except the subdivision northeastern state, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and Saviwana West Bengal and Sikkim. Otherwise, rest of the countries are actually large deficient or no rain. And here we can see that is reflected in the values in the percentage departure from the long period average. That is eastern northeast India here minus 10%, northwest India minus 95%, central India actually it is minus 99%, and southern peninsula it is 80 minus 88%, and India as a whole minus 75%. And if you see the season-wise situation from the January to 28th February, so here we can see that except four subdivision, most of the country is either deficient or large deficient. Here only this Gujarat region and East Rajasthan and Lakshadweep and Tamil Nadu, these four subdivisions. So that is also visible here in the departure from long period average. So all are negative, and India as a whole minus 45%. Now today we can see two western disturbance. Here one, that is what I already told, that it is lying along 68-degree longitude and north of 32-degree north. So this is one western disturbance. Another is approaching towards Indian region, but it is still far. It is now along longitude 52-degree and north of 20-degree north. So these two main weather systems likely to impact in the coming week. And if we see the rainfall situation for the week one, so two consecutive western disturbance which will be influencing the western Himalayan region, and for due to that light to moderate scattered rainfall or snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh during 2nd to 4th March, and light isolated rainfall over Uttarakhand and Punjab 2nd to 4th March, and also strong wind nearly 20 to 30 kmph over Uttar Pradesh is likely over 3rd to 4th March. And easterly, there will be a trough, north-south trough, nearly along this west coast region over land. So that due to that trough in easterlies, there may be light rainfall activity over North Maharashtra, South Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat region during the second half of the week, and isolated to moderate thunderstorm activity also over West Madhya Pradesh on 4th and 5th. East Madhya Pradesh, this side actually over 5th to 6th, and over Vidarbha 6th and 7th. And over islands, means over Andaman Nicobar Islands, light isolated to scattered rainfall activity may happen during first half of the week. And squally weather in the western strong easterlies over common region 40 to 45 kmph gusting to 55 kmph may happen. So this is the first week, and if we the first week, what will be the warning? So there will be very few warning over the over India. So for today it was over South Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim for the thunderstorm and lightning. And 4th March, actually 3rd March there is no warning. 4th March there will be thunderstorm activity over West Madhya Pradesh, and squally weather certainly over Comorin area. And 5th March there will be whole Madhya Pradesh will be thunderstorm or lightning activity, and then that squally weather will continue over Comorin. And 6th March actually that East Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha will be experiencing thunderstorm activity. So this is the warning scenario for the next 5 days. Now I am coming to the second week. So there will be no active western disturbance over northwest India. So therefore there will be no significant weather nearly most part of the country, but except the peninsular India, there may be some light to moderate rainfall. And due to that, actually the whole rainfall activity will be below normal for the whole country except the southern peninsula. And now if I talk about the maximum temperature situation, here in the first week it will be 28 to 32 degree over most parts of Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, which is actually 3 to 5 degree above normal. And it will be also 35 to 37 degree centigrade over most parts of Gujarat, Vidarbha, Marathwada, South Konkan, Goa and coastal Karnataka and Kerala. So over this region, here 2 to 4 degree above normal. And during this week there will be no significant change over northwest and east India, and but there will be first half of the week there will be no significant change over central India, but there will be latter part of the week there will be fall by 2 degrees centigrade, and there will be also rise of temperature over West India next 2 days. Otherwise there will be no significant change. And overall, if we see, there will be no significant heat wave conditions over any part of the country. And if we see the second week, there will be gradual rise of the maximum temperature 1 by 1 2 degree over northwest, east and northeast India, and above normal it will be 2 to 4 degree over most parts of northwest, and 2 to 4 degree also again over most parts of east and northeast India most of the days of the week, and it will be below normal 2 to 3 degree over peninsular India and adjoining central India. Again, there will be no significant heat wave condition over most any part of the country. So this is the whole about the 2 weeks weather situation. For details, you can visit our websites, and you can also access the weather information through our mobile apps like Mausam, Damini, Meghdut. So there is no significant extreme weather except few thunderstorm lightning over a whole country. But still, take care. Bye till next weather video.